How do you store data in JavaScript client-side local storage? Imagine you are building a website that remembers your preferences or keeps track of items in your shopping cart without needing to ask the server every time. That's where local storage comes into play. It is a simple way for websites to save data directly in your browser. This data stays there even after you close the browser or turn off your computer. It's like a tiny notebook that the website can write in and read from whenever needed. The main tool for this is called the Local Storage API, which is part of the Web Storage API. It works by saving data as key-value pairs where both the key and value are strings. Think of it like a label and a note attached to it. For example, if you want to save your username, you can write local storage, set item, username, John Doe. This stores the name John Doe under the label username. The next time you visit the site, you can get that data back with local storage. Get item, username. If the key does not exist, it will return null, meaning no data is stored under that label. To remove a specific piece of data, you can use local storage. Remove item, username. If you want to wipe everything stored for that website, you can clear all the data with local storage clear. This is useful if you want to reset the stored data completely. Sometimes you need to store more complex data like objects or arrays. Since local storage only handles strings, you need to convert these objects into strings first. You do this with JSON stringify. For example, if you have a user object with a name and age, you can save it like this. Local storage, set item, user JSON stringify, name, John, age 30. When you want to retrieve it, you use JSON parse. To turn the string back into an object, const user is equal to JSON, parse, local storage, get item, user. Keep in mind that local storage has some limits. It can only store around 5 megabytes of data per website, which is enough for most uses but not for large files. Also, it is not secure for sensitive data because any script running on the same domain can access it. So, avoid storing passwords or personal information there. You can use local storage for many things, like saving user settings, keeping track of shopping cart items, or storing from inputs so users can pick up where they left off. But always check if local storage is available before using it, especially in private browsing modes or older browsers. You can do this by trying to set and remove a test item, and if it fails, you know local storage isn't supported or is disabled. In summary, local storage is a straightforward way to save and retrieve data on the client side in JavaScript. It's a handy tool for making websites more interactive and user-friendly without needing to communicate with a server every time.